You don't need to show your face or build a personal brand to run a highly profitable digital empire completely from home.
Hello everyone. Today I'm breaking down the exact blueprint on how to sell a digital product in faceless niches fast using the Sellvia Oki system. Right. So here's the thing.
Most people fail in online business because they are afraid of complex marketing or get trapped in internet scams. To build a real asset, you need a legitimate, reliable partner. Sellvia is an official member of the Forbes Communications Council and is ranked by Inc. 5000 among America's fastest-growing private companies. They provide an authorized, zero experience required platform that handles the infrastructure for you. The fastest way to scale a faceless business is by selling useful digital files. On sellviacatalog.com, under the Digital Products section, you will find high-demand assets under Guides and Checklists. These address massive faceless niches like personal finance, parenting, and fitness. Because they are entirely digital, you have zero warehouse, shipping, or physical logistic hassles. Every sale comes with a stable 50% to 70% markup, and you keep 100% of that markup as your automated earnings. You don't need to spend weeks creating these documents or setting up web code. Sellvia sets up a turnkey online business preloaded with these items. Inside your desktop dashboard, just navigate to My Store and select Product Packs. You can immediately add fully curated niche bundles to your store catalog with a single click. The second a customer orders, the file is instantly delivered to their email inbox automatically. To generate immediate traffic into your faceless store, bypass the slow organic growth. Click on the Sellvia Ads section inside your automated control panel. This system mirrors seller advertising on Amazon or Etsy, pulling data from Google and Facebook. You simply select a manageable daily budget, starting at just $10 a day. Click Activate, and the automation drives buyers directly to your digital store. Most owners process their first sales on day one. Running this business costs only $39 a month after your trial, which breaks down to an affordable $1.30 a day. Click the link in the description right now to secure a 14-day free trial, and they will include a free $40 advertising credit to jumpstart your customer acquisition. Break out of the 9-to-5 loop, launch your asset tonight, like this video, and subscribe for serious business strategies. Goodbye.